Let me show you how to hide Instagram chats without deleting them. There's no one button that does this, but I'll show you a workaround. Now open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android and navigate to that specific conversation or chat. Let's say I want to hide this. Now within here, you'll be able to see a bunch of different settings, even options, but there's no straightforward way to hide this essentially without deleting it. But there is a trick to do this. Essentially, you can just restrict them, and this will temporarily limit their ability to interact with you. But if you go back out of here, you'll be able to see that message no longer shows up. I can tap on request, and there you'll be able to see that restricted account will be in here. If you wanted to start chatting with them again, you can just tap on unrestrict and accept, and then you can start typing in your messages after you've unhid them.